It's another beautiful Southern California day in my mighty little garden. I've aerated most of this bed and I'm ready to spread the poop on it. Oh, look, the morning glory taking over here. Oh. They're so pretty. They get so crazy. Anyway, I have spread the dung through all of here. I cleaned out but kept the squash just in case they fully develop. There's so many on here, but I'm not getting them to go the way I want them to. We'll see. These are edible like this, so I may just pull them for a salad. Whoops. I don't know if you could even see that. Yeah. There's a bunch of them. Whoa. Let's not break it. Anyway, that other sweet potato is starting to grow in here. But unfortunately, we're having trouble with grasshoppers. Here's the other one, and it's got some on it too. Oh, God, it's getting ready to bloom a whole bunch. And the cucumber looks better than it did. Don't know if you can even see it. Too many shadows. I have such light and dark. Anyway, there's actually some on there somewhere. And this crazy sweet potato vine, I took any that weren't rooted in the ground, but all these down here are rooted. I did move another tomato plant, and you can see the calla lilies are coming up. That'll be pretty again. Yeah. So my cat mats are all over here. I don't think I'm going to need them with the dung spread. I did get some of my plants planted. I moved my spider back, but I did get these over here. I put the azalea here. I didn't formally plant it. I cut the bottom off the planter and put it there just to make sure that it works here. It took forever to get something to grow out on this corner because it gets so hot. Even though it's a partial sun zone, I just don't know if the azalea will go. But if I keep a pot over here with sunflowers or whatever growing in it, or possibly moving this salvia sage I just planted in there to give it shade, that might do it. We'll find out. Anyway, dung is spread through all there. Transplanted that out of the back barrel, which I'm going to still try and move the barrel. This one's all done. I have dung I'm going to put on the mound in the back, but I haven't decided if I'm going to plant anything there. I'm debating. I still haven't put my 2 amaryllis bulbs in, and I'm worried about it getting too wet if I plant them right here. On each side, I might do that though. I don't know. Time will tell. And look, we have purple irises coming out here. Gonna bloom for us before long. Trash day. It's amazing. Mighty little garden, and I can manage to fill that barrel up all the time. Anyway, I'm gonna spread the poop over there. All along there, I'm gonna do it today. And I made some changes back here, not a lot. I took the wood down from up there, and I have the 2 plants there. I'm gonna put a nice plant over here in this section. I'm still not sure about hanging these here or not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where it brings me. I did break off a branch and stick it in the ground. I'm not sure how good he's going to do, but. And then I decided, since I have this air conditioner that isn't going to be an air conditioner anymore, that needs to go away, I may just grow plants on it. There's the barrel I'm going to move. You can see I've got most of the dirt out of it. But the canary sage, Canary Island sage, I guess, takes full sun and gets big. So I put one here, and this would be a good spot. And I think I'm actually thinking about dumping some morning glory seeds, and let them trellis all over this dang thing. These are my $2 mums. They're doing okay. This one, not quite as good, but he just got planted yesterday and he got kind of neglected more. So I'm very happy with my potato tree. It's actually got that umbrella look I was going for. I think next year I'm actually going to see the shade on those chairs through the day. Give me that shade. Give me that shade. Yeah, I like it. I cut this guy back. He was way out, so I can grow my veggies in here. The little strawberries that I planted in here are doing pretty good. Calla lilies are coming up here. Lettuce is coming up here. We'll see what time brings. I've promised the birds I will leave the remaining sunflowers for as long as I can. We've got them here, here, there, there. The house finch, absolutely love them. Something came through here last night or something, knocked some of my planters over, but they seem okay. Anyway, I moved eggplant out here. I'm trying to just let this all go flowers. I didn't want to totally commit to my mums being in the ground, so I put them in pots for now. There's quite a few of these marigolds still coming up, so we should see some good action hopefully in the next week. But I've still got all this to spread it on it. I'm gonna spread it. Okay, I haven't quite finished thinning out my bulbs here. I'm gonna take a few more of those out. This is chia. Look at this chia. Isn't that pretty? It takes forever for it to bloom, as I recall, but I decided to grow a little bit of it again. It's very pretty blue bulb. Not bulb, sorry. Bulbous flower. And story of chia is that a chia flower could sustain a Indian while he was out on a hunt for an entire day. So you can see some more of the sunflowers there. I'm leaving them for a while longer. But see, each cycle they get smaller and smaller and smaller, and then pretty soon they're just not even seeds. I did take all of them out here because this is where I was thinking of planting the amaryllis, because they get a nice southern sunlight. I pulled all the goodies, all the decorations for the frog because it got all again. So I'm aerating this corner now and then spread the dung. I have a hiding tomato plant on I thought, oh, it'd be nice if it hung down over the dead tree, over the tree stump. We'll see. We'll see. Time always tells. Okay, I've made it full circle. You can see that this tomato plant is still doing pretty good. It's got a lot of blooms. Wound up pulling a couple more worms, a caterpillar and a worm off of it, but whatever. Got another eggplant growing here. It's doing pretty good. I did stick a couple aloe in the ground there. I've got a bunch of aloe. I don't know what to do with. And the big thing I usually do on Tuesdays, and it's now Thursday, is change the hummingbird feeders. The guy buzzed my head this morning because I haven't done it yet. We're switching out the garbage disposal and dishwasher today, so afterwards I hope to get it made. But that's the end of this story. We'll see how my day goes. I hope your day goes great.